Welcome to my channel. This is a bench grinder I just sold on my eBay store. My eBay store name is Little Did You Know. I just want to show you this grinder before I ship it out. It's a Sears Craftsman 1/3 horsepower bench grinder, 6" by 3/4" wheel on both sides. This one is more of the rougher one on this side, and this side have the finer wheel, and it doesn't have the tab on the top that can keep the spark and debris from flying onto your face, but I think you can get it and add it to it. The model number is 257.192140, and here's the serial number and some manufacturer information about it. Then we got it on and off slide. There's some vent for the motor. Let's take a look of the side. And by the way, this is all made of plastic, but it's not those cheap plastic made nowadays. It's really good quality plastic actually. You can take it apart to change the wheel, spin it around. It's the back, some more vent. You can even see the motor inside of it. Some copper coil. Here's where you can mount it down on your bench. I decided to wipe the wire like this. I thought it would look nicer to ship it. And it also saves space since I don't have to wrap it in the back. It would make it more bulky. Here's the other side. Thank you for coming to my channel. I really appreciate it. Goodbye.